Good afternoon, my dear lovely kids. How are you? I hope so. You all are fine and doing the studies also, completing your notebooks and studying for your half yearly examination. As you know, in very short period of time, you are going to write your half yearly examination. It's going to start from 10th of November. So for that, we had already started the revision portion. So for today's class, before starting our today's class, let's recite a shlok. So join your hands, close your eyes and you have to recite the shlok with me. Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo Maheshwara, Gurur Sakshat Parbrahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namah. All of you open your eyes, put down your hands and now be ready for your today's class. So take out your mathematics notebook, your pencil box and be ready with me. Okay? So our today's topic, we had already started what comes after, before and between. We had completed till 10. Okay? Now, in the same sequence, today what you have to do? You have to write here numbers from 11 to 20. Okay? to 20. Now I am going to write numbers here. First what I have to write here? Tens and ones. So line of 11, it's begin from 2-digit numbers. So 1, 1, 11, 1, 2, 12, 1, 3, 13, 1, 4, 14, 1, 5, 15, 1, 6, 16, 1, 7, 17, 1, 8, 18, 1, 9, 19 and 2, 0, 20. Now, write heading here. WHAT, what comes, 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 just, 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 after, just, after. ओके, कॉमा अब हम साथ में करेंगे बिफोर, दोनों हम साथ में करेंगे, देन वी विल डू इन बिटवीन. ओके, व्हाट कम्स जस्ट आफ्टर एंड बिफोर. आफ्टर मीन्स मैं आपको बार बार बता चुकी हूँ, बाद में, है ना. बाद में क्या आता है, जैसे 1 के बाद 2. जैसे मैंने आपको बताया था, स्टेयर्स का एग्जांपल दिया था. जब आप स्टेयर्स चढ़ते हैं तो हम स्मॉल से बिग नंबर पे जाते हैं. रिवर्स काउंटिंग में हम बिग से स्मॉल पे आते हैं. तो आफ्टर नंबर में भी हम क्या होता है, स्मॉल नंबर से बिग पर जाते हैं और जो हमारा बिफोर नंबर है बिग से स्मॉल पे आते हैं. ओके, सो लेट्स सी. यू ऑलरेडी हैव notebook with you, block notebook. Okay, here dash, in after number we have to put here dash. I am going to write here number 12. Number 12. Now you have to write what comes just after 1 to 12. 1 to 12. कोई भी इसको 12 12 नहीं बोलेगा. This is 12. So what comes just after 12? 1, 3, 13. Look here. What comes just give gap here. We have to fill up before number. Okay. I am going to write here 1, 5, 15. Now you have to write here which number comes before 1, 5, 15. Before मतलब पहले. Before मतलब पहले, है ना. पहले क्या लिखते हैं हम 1, 5, 15 के. See here 1, 5, 15 के छोटा नंबर क्या होगा before number 1, 4, 14. So we write here 1, 4, 14. Okay. Then next number. Again after number you have to write here. Okay. Now what comes just after 1, 8, 18? 18 के बाद में क्या लिखते हैं? 1, 8, 18 काउंटिंग आपको आती है. 18 के बाद आप क्या लिखते हैं? 1, 9, 19. What comes just after 18? 1, 9, 19. 19 is the bigger than number 18. So 8 after 18 we write 1, 9, 19. Dash 1, 7, 17. So what comes just before 1, 7, 17? Just before 17 आप क्या लिखते हैं? 1, 6, 16. Just before 1, 7, 17. 1, 6, 16. Because 6 comes just before 7. So 1, 6, 16. Now this side I have no space here, but if you have space you can give one line gap and you can write, but I have no space here, so I am going to write here dash 1, 9, 19. What comes just before 1, 9, 19? Here 1, 9, 19. Just after 1, 9, 19, 2, 0, 20. So after number of 19 is 2, 0, 20. Okay. Your gap before number we have to write before number of 1 to 12. What comes just before 1 to 12? Before मतलब पहले क्या आता है? 12 के पहले 1, 1, 11. So 1, 1, 11. Before number, before 18. What you write before 1, 8, 18? 1, 7, 17. 1, 7, 17. Okay. Now here 13, here blank space, you have to fill up this space. What comes just after 1, 3, 13? What you write in counting just after 1, 3, 13? 1, 4 14 1 4 14. Okay beta, so this is the concept of what comes just after and before in between the numbers from 11 to 20. Now we will write in this numbers only, between these numbers only, what comes in between. Okay, so take out your next page and you have to write the heading also in that page. So first you write what comes in between, BETWEEN. Okay. Okay, now let's start. I am going to write here 11, 1, 1, 11, here gap 12 and here 13. In between means you know the meaning of in between, मतलब बीच में, है ना. अगर दो लोग बैठे हुए हैं आइट साइड में और बीच में जगह खाली है तो वो बीच की स्पेस भरने के लिए आप क्या बोलेंगे? मे आई सिट इन बिटवीन यू, मतलब मैं क्या आप दोनों के बीच में बैठ सकता हूँ, बैठ सकती हूँ. तो हियर ऑल्सो ब्लैंक स्पेस इज इन बिटवीन. तो अपने को जो नंबर यहाँ से गायब है, जो नंबर कहीं पर चला गया है, वो नंबर वापस आएगा और 11 और 13 से परमिशन ले आएगा. मे आई सिट इन बिटवीन यू. सो देखो अभी 11 लिखा है, 13 लिखा है, यहाँ से एक नंबर कहीं पर गायब हो गया है. वो नंबर को हमें वापस यहाँ पे लाके बिठाना है उसकी सीट पर. तो 11 है, 13 है, बीच में से 12 नंबर यहाँ से गायब हो गया है. तो हम यहाँ पे जो हमारा नंबर आएगा 12, वो नंबर हम यहाँ पे लिखेंगे. जो नंबर ऑलरेडी यहाँ से चला गया था वो नंबर यहाँ पे नहीं है. 1 2 12. ओके. Then 1 4 14 dash 16. अब 14 है, 16 है, बीच में कौन सा नंबर आएगा? 14 के बाद और 16 के पहले. Which number is we have to write here? 14, then 15, then comes 1 6 16. So 14 15 16. Okay. Now here 18 gap 2 0 20. So what comes in between 18 and 20? 18 19, then 2 0 20. 18 19 20. Okay. Now here 15 dash 17. So you have to fill up the gap. What comes in between 15 and 17? That means what comes just after 15, just before 17. 15 के after 16, 17 के before 16. So what comes here? 1, 6, 16, 15, 16, 17. 15, 16, 17. Okay. Okay, now we have to do here. I am going to write here 13 blank 15. Now we have to fill up the space. What comes just after 1, 3, 13? Just before 1, 5, 15. See here. 13 and 15 is written there. So what comes in between 13 and 15? 1, 4, 14. So we will write here 1, 4, 14. Okay. Okay, now 12. Here dash. And here 1, 4, 14. Now you have to fill up the place. What comes just after 12? Just before 14. So which number is missing here? 1, 3, 13. 1, 3, 13. See here. 12 and 14 is there. So 1, 3, 13 is missing here. So we had written here 1, 3, 13. Okay. Then 16. Gap is here. And 18. Now same you have to do that what comes just after 60 and what comes just before 80. That means this place we have to fill up. So we have to see here 16 is written here, 18 is written here. So which number is missing from there? 1, 7, 17. So we will write here 1, 7, 17. Okay. Now 1, 4, 14. Gap 16. Okay, so now you have to fill up this place that what comes just after 14 and what comes just before 16. That means what comes in between 14 and 16. So here missing number is here, so we have to fill the missing place. So see here 14 is there, 16 is there, so which number is missing from here? 1, 5, 15. So we will write here 1, 5, 50. Okay, my dear students, I hope so that you had understood the concept of after, before and between in the sequence of in between numbers 11 to 20. Okay, now what you have to do? Next topic we are going to take number names. Number names. So number names in exam it will come from 1 to 10. Number names. Okay, see here, as you all know that you have to write number names from 1 to 10. Ma'am has already completed the number names from 1 to 10. Today we will revise from 1 to 5. In our next lecture then we will revise from 6 to 10. Okay, okay. Now write number 1. What is the spelling of 1? Number 1. What is the spelling of 1? You have to repeat after me. O-N-E 1. O-N-E 1. O-N-E 1. Same you have to write in your notebook also. O-N-E 1. O-N-E 1. 2 times you have to write here in your notebook and repeat the spellings after me. O-N-E 1. O-N-E 1. O-N-E 1. Now give a line gap here. Write here 2. 2 times you have to write here 2. And 2 times you have to write the spelling of 2 also here. T W O 2. T W O 2. Okay, this is O. You have to make O. T W O 2. T W O 2. T W O 2. Now give one line gap here. Write spelling of 3 2 times. T H R double E 3. 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 Now write the spelling, say and write. Okay. Now after that I have no space here, so I am going to write on new page this side. If you have space, after that only you can write the spelling of 4 and 5. But I have no space, so I am going to take new page. Okay? आपको कंफ्यूज नहीं होना है. आपके पास अगर सेम पेज पे स्पेस है, आप 1 लाइन ड्रॉप करके नंबर 4 2 टाइम्स लिख सकते हैं. अगर स्पेस नहीं है तो आप न्यू पेज लीजिए. जैसे मैं इधर न्यू पेज ले रही हूँ. नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू राइट हियर नंबर 4. ओके. Okay, now what is the spelling of number 4? F O U R 4. F O U R 4. Now number 5. F this much only we will do in our today's class. We will meet again in our next class. Till then, bye bye, have a nice day, and do studies and do revision part thoroughly. Bye bye.